I would say if you are not already, implement a studio tour. So invite the parent and the child for a face-to-face tour of the studio. And I would say do it during times if you can. I know there's staff pay and things like that that you have to deal with, but if you can, do it when the studio is not busy. So if it's 15 minutes before class and it's just chaotic in your studio, probably not the best time because that's going to be more stressful. So offer a face-to-face studio tour, let the parent and the child see everything. If you can have the teacher there to meet the teacher, I think that would be great too. And just have it be, 15, 20 minutes. They can ask their questions. You can go over, what does the kid wear? What should we expect? Should we bring anything? Answer any worries. Just because it's all about that trust and it's about building that rapport. And it has to happen with both the parent and the child in order for it to be successful.